What's up, everybody? First things first, you want to make sure you have WSL installed. So just run this command WSL status to show me the default version, the distribution, and so on. So to install WSL, I'll leave this link, this documentation in the link in the description below. So just follow through these commands and you should be good. And then check the status. You should and install a distro from the store, and you should be good and have WSL. So how do I use WSL? Just in case you're stuck on Windows and want to use WSL. Well, at first, how I used to go about it was using this Linux folder section. I don't know what you can call it. Then I would go in here, copy my files here. Basically, it was more like a system on its own within a system, but more I couldn't use other files from other folders. So what I discovered is the best way you can utilize WSL is well, using VS Code. Yeah, using VS Code. So just make sure you open your terminal. VS Code has these new features. Open your terminal, then on the plus sign you should be able to see the terminals you can use, and down here I can see WSL ubuntu 0.04. so if I select this, bam, at this point I can work using Linux, but this file is in my Windows directory. No need to have duplicate files and so on. So I can do command cd, yeah, and I can do some commands. Wow, okay, yeah, it tells me I need to install make. That shouldn't be a problem. My password I set when installing WSL. Yeah, so this should install everything. Then okay, this is interesting. This is basically an error, something to do with my files rather than not having WSL. So what else did it ask for? Okay, I need to install Docker as well. So yeah, so basically I need to install Docker and run those commands. So that's how you use WSL within Visual Studio. You don't even need to like go copy that file to this folder, then start using it and so on. So yeah, basically you can use WSL here, and if you're working with Git, push your changes using PowerShell or any terminal, any command prompt, anything you like. And if you need something done in WSL, you just switch flawlessly. Then another way is when I start a new Visual Studio, I can open a new WSL folder. Yeah, just go here, then get started with remote WSL. Yeah, remote WSL. Then we'll do mark as done, then open folder. Well, just a minute. Yeah, it should have open. Just wait. Okay, open WSL. Yeah, we should have had this. Then we're gonna open the menu, open folder in WSL. Yeah, then this takes us to Ubuntu, but no worries, we can go to wherever our files are. Yeah, let's go to environments. Yeah, and anywhere we can open a folder which probably works with Linux. Let's say learn Ruby. Yeah, we can open this in WSL. that in VS Code in WSL, so no need to struggle with files, copying files from into your WSL folder. Just run them right in your folder. So that's a helpful tip, something I learned to use WSL with. I think it was very helpful, and it's less painstaking. You don't need to set, if you're using Git, no need to set up Git on two different environments. Just you set up Git on your Windows PC and you can use it wherever you want. So I'll go I trust this. Yeah, so basically this was what I was doing, some Ruby and so on, just basic stuff. So yeah, that's how I use my WSL. Yeah, so you can use it in whatever way you want, and you should be able to do Linux commands, work in Linux, and yeah, without having to struggle much about these things. Anyway, that's just about it. Yeah, but I would advise that the best way to do it is to use this method, where instead of you change the terminal, you just use WSL, and yeah, you do it that way, and much cleaner. Once you modify files at one end, no need to like go into WSL and only to find your files modified and requiring a commit. No, you just do everything here. And yeah, that's just about it for this video, guys. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Yeah, hope you have a good day. Peace out.